Welcome to Lingua Latina, Chapter 9, Lesson 2, Exercises. Here we have an example, exemplum. Medus a Julio abit, Medus leaves Julius, or goes away from Julius, meaning the same as Medus leaves Julius behind, or leaves behind Julius. So, relinquit, to leave behind someone, is the same as to go away from someone, with the ablative construction. So we're going to be switching these back and forth. So we have servus improbus a domino suo abit. A bad slave leaves or goes away from his master, or the bad slave goes away from his master. Here we have the bad slave, and what we need to say is leaves behind his master. So we use the accusative construction dominum suum relinquit. Okay, and then we have another version, switching the other way. Servi probi domino suos non relinquunt. Good slaves don't leave their masters. And so we have servi probi, and now we have to say they don't go away from their masters. So ab suis dominis non abeunt. Okay, so go ahead and try the rest of those, and let's try exercise number 7. Vocab exercise. You know the drill on the vocab. So let's try this. We see blank pastor dormit, the shepherd sleeps, the black sheep goes off while the shepherd sleeps. We know, remember we're reading that carefully. Canis ovem videt et blank bow bow. So what is the word for the dog making the sound bow bow? It is latrat. He barks. Okay, let's try exercise number 8. Okay, we have our question and answer. So, quo abit ovis nigra? Where is the black sheep heading to? Remember, quo being to where, unde meaning from where. So where is the black sheep heading to? We know there's a few things he's heading to, right? He's heading ad rivum. So we could say rivum petit, ovis nigra rivum petit. We know he's going off to the woods, so we could say that he silvam abit, he goes off to the woods, ovis nigra silvam petit, or ad silvam petit. So any one of those is correct, and as we get further in these questions, you're going to see that there are multiple answers that are correct, and we're always going to, after we're done, try to form our answer the way that Orberg did. So let's see what he said. He said ovis nigra in silvam abit. So he goes off, the black sheep goes off into the woods. He chose the woods rather than heading toward the stream. So let's cover up our answers, the answer, and say it again. So quo abit ovis nigra in silvam abit. Okay, let's try number 2. Dormitne canis. Is the dog sleeping? Well, we know what the dog does, right? The dog latrat bow bow. So canis non dormit. Non dormit canis. There we have it. Canis non dormit. Okay, let's try one more. Quid agit pastor? Well, the pastor does a few things, right? He oculos aperits. He opens up his eyes. He pastor surgit. He gets up. Pastor rivum petit, or ovem petit. He heads for, or goes after his sheep. He relinquits the column. He leaves behind the hill. But here, what's the main thing he does? He always petit, I would say. Pastor always petit. Ovem petit. Here we have pastor always relinquit. The shepherd leaves behind his sheep. So go ahead and try the rest of those exercises. Buona fortuna.